Hello everybody, Helen Chin-Lu here, certified reflexologist, certified energy medicine practitioner, Reiki master and teacher, the owner of the Healing Place and the Healing Place Energy School. Since 2006, I have given 13,000 reflexology and chakra balance and healing sessions. Yay! A lot of healing. During this time, I noticed everyone asked me the same questions. Primarily, the first top three are they want to know about their pain cycle so they can feel physically, emotionally well. Number two, they want to know what has caused these problems to begin with. And three, what can they do to break the negativity cycle of pain? Well, I could answer these questions and a lot more. Because you asked, I have written a 21-page free report to answer your questions and a whole bunch of other things. 10 keys to understanding your chakra system. See, isn't that a pretty book? And I want to offer this free report to you so to get you on a road of good health. Just imagine, by learning to listen to your body's subtle cues, you can begin to balance your chakras, and before you know it, you're going to feel so much better. So what are you going to learn out of my free book? 10 keys to understanding your chakra system. Will talk about what are chakras. You need to know what are they, where they're located, how does your chakra energy flow, the benefits of healthy chakras, and what do unhealthy chakras feel like, so this way you could start to make corrections. And then I'm going to go into details, your 7 main chakras, what are their functions and how to balance them. Just imagine, in just 21 pages, you're going to feel so much better. 10 keys to understanding your chakra system will show you how to replace your stress and pain with peace of mind, good health, and positive energy flow. So let me tell you how you could get your free report. Here I am with this next sheet of paper. You could sign and subscribe to get your free report, 10 Keys to Understanding Your Chakra, by going to yourchakrasystem.com. See right here? See the email address? I look forward to working with you and talking about how I can help you further to have good health, peace of mind, and positive energy flow. So this is Helen Chin-Lu from the Healing Place. I will talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.